Big O Tires in La Mirada, California provides trusted tire repair services, helping drivers stay safe with fast, professional repairs that restore tire performance and get you back on the road. Our experienced technicians carefully inspect punctures, leaks, and tire damage to deliver dependable repairs whenever possible. We prioritize your safety, extend tire life, and offer friendly service with honest recommendations. Visit us today and let us help you with your tire repair needs. Are you looking for a tire repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Big O Tires. Why is professional tire repair important? Professional tire repair follows industry-approved procedures that properly seal punctures and restore tire integrity. Expert repairs help maintain safety, improve performance, prevent further damage, and extend the life of your tires. Do repaired tires remain safe to drive on? Yes, properly repaired tires can remain safe to drive on when damage meets repair guidelines. Professional repairs restore functionality, maintain air pressure, and help provide reliable performance for everyday driving. What is your service area for the La Mirada, California office? Our tire repair services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of La Mirada, La Habra, East Whittier, Fullerton, Buena Park, Cerritos, Norwalk, Bellflower, Artesia, Fullerton, Downey, Whittier, Rowland Heights, Hacienda Heights, Cypress, Stanton, Anaheim, Lakewood, Paramount, and Yorba Linda, California. Where is your La Mirada, California tire repair shop located? We are located at 13920 Valley View Avenue, Louisiana, Mirada, California 90638. Our phone number is 562-320-5048. Visit our website, www.bigotires.com/location/cia/la-mirada.